In this video, we are going to set up the countdown timer plugin on a Squarespace 7.1 site. The first step is to upload the plugin timer JavaScript file and the CSS file that are included in the folder. So let's do that. And to do that, we'll click on this plus icon, scroll down to link, click on the gear icon, click on file, and now we are going to upload our plugin countdown timer file. 1, 2, and click cancel and close. Those files are there. If I go back, they'll be there. Here they are. So I can click close again, close. And now let's move to the second step, which is to add this code to our code injection footer. And we get there by going to settings, developer tools, code injection, and then scroll down to where it says footer. And we're going to paste that code here. Click save. And now we are ready to add our countdown timer as a code block or in a code block wherever we want to see the countdown timer. So let's set an end date for next week. And after that time happens, we will replace it with text and say event over. All right. Now let's copy this code and click on edit on the page or wherever we want this to be. I'm going to create a blank section and add a code block. And in this code block, delete what's there and paste what we just copied. And I'm going to expand this a bit. Then click save. And now if I refresh the page, there's my code block. So I'm going to make this wider. Exit. Okay, so here's my countdown, 6 more days to the event. Now let's say I want to change the style in here. I can customize that below. And let's say I want to change the divider and make it a dash instead. Or we can do no divider, right? But I want to keep a divider. And let's say we want to keep the label. So the label is days, hours. But we can change the position on top. We can change the color here. We can change the font size. So say we wanted to make this a bit smaller. Change it to 24 pixels, or let's say 20 pixels. And now what I'll do is I will copy this to the clipboard. And if I go to my design, custom CSS, and paste, now I've got my much smaller timer with those settings. So any adjustment that I make here, I'll be able to see here, and then I can just copy and implement that as custom CSS here. All right. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know if you have any questions by contacting us, support@sqspthemes.com, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Take care.